Today I'm gonna try to show you how I make brownies, and I hope you enjoy my recipe, and we'll see how we go. So for the beginning, I like to melt some chocolate and butter together in a microwave. So I took 130 gram of chocolate and 177 or 180 grams of butter, and I'm gonna melt them first. So what about the first? And I do it for about 2 minutes, and while this is done, I am going to take now the flour, and I'm gonna add some flour. So this one requires 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. After you put some flour, I would put some, not putting it all over yourself like I do, I would put some 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of sugar.
Yes, mister. It's not too soon. We're not ready yet.
2 cups of sugar, Owen.
What do you mean, miss? What do you mean, mister?
Mister?
What? Yeah, what?
Owen,
What?
I'm talking to the video here. You want to say
what
hello?
What do you mean, mister? What is it, mister?
Mystery.
What is it?
Okay.
Yeah, what is?
What is it?
We tried to get it.
Yeah.
And listening.
And then we listening, huh?
Ah.
Alright, so once you put the sugar in, I like to put cocoa next as well, some cocoa powder. I put 1 cup of cocoa powder next. 1 cup of cocoa powder. It's a lot of cocoa powder, but 1 cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. Now, once that's done, once you put the cocoa powder, you put on the 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And some 3 eggs. 3 eggs. 1. 2. And 3. Now, once the chocolate and the butter has melted, try to put it all in here onto with the rest of the recipe. And then we are just going to mix it all up, and I'll show you in a minute how is it going to look. Now, if you still think it's a bit too hard after you mix it and it's not all combined, I like to just use a little bit of milk just like maybe a dash of milk, and then try to soften everything together, and that will make it a lot easier afterwards as well. Not too much milk, because what will happen is it will become very liquidy. So maybe just pour just a dash of milk, and then I'll show you once I put it in the container. Alright, now that I have put the whole chocolate cake into the container, I like to tap on it just so we can even it out a bit, and then I will cook this for 60 minutes. Alright, now I finished the brownies, and I wait till they cool down normally. I didn't this time, but I should have. Just wait till it cools down, and then you'll have brownies just hopefully similar to what I made. I'll show you what it looks on the inside. And that's a piece of brownie that I like to make. Thank you. If you like my contents, please subscribe. Enjoy. Have a good time. Bye.